For bonus block 1, you will make 8 of these blocks that measure 6.5 by 6.5 unfinished. You will only need white and green for this block. No specialty rulers are needed for this block. And to see your pattern for yardage and fabric requirements. Now let's put our block together. We will need 2 long white rectangles and 2 short white rectangles and 1 green square. Again, see your pattern for cutting instructions. We're going to now assemble the center unit. And we're going to take our green square and our 2 white rectangles, and we're going to line them up as so, placing them on each side of the green square. We're going now to flip this over on top of the green square with right sides together. We're going to sew the rectangle and the square together. So 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press towards the white rectangle. Repeat on the opposite side, lining this all up. So 1/4 inch seam allowance and press to the white rectangle. To sew this unit together, you will then place this center down and place a long rectangle on the bottom and one on the top. You will flip over the bottom on top of that center unit, and we're going to sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance, pressing towards the center unit. We're going to repeat on the top by flipping over the long white rectangle, and we're going to make sure everything is right sides are together. We're going to sew everything together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance and pressing away from that center unit. This completes your bonus block 1. You will need to make 8 of these that measure 6.5 by 6.5 unfinished.